The Flea's Sneeze by Lynn Downey and illustrated by Carla Firehammer. And illustrated means that Carla Firehammer, who illustrated this, that means she drew the pictures. And Lynn Downey, she is the one who made up the story. The Flea's Sneeze. On a dark, dark night on an old, old farm, in a rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept peacefully. Can you snore? A rat and a cat and a black-eyed bat, a cow, an owl, a feathered fowl, a dog and a hog and an old barn frog. Where's the old barn frog? Ah, there he is on top of the dog. Everyone slept very peacefully, but not the flea. See all those little Z's? That means snorings. Can you see the flea? Way right there on top of the mouse is the flea. And look at all those beautiful stars. Even the chickens going. No one heard him cough. Hey, said the flea. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept very peacefully, but not the flea. Can you see the flea? Is he on the dog? Nope. Is he on the pig? Nope. Or the frog? Or the chicken? Not there. Not even on that mouse, nor that bat, or the cat. But the little flea is right there on top. And he is not snoring. No one heard him sniffle, sniffle. He's got a cold. Yes, he does. While the mouse was sleeping and snoring, the old flea was sniffling and sniffling. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the cat, or the rat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept very peacefully, but not the flea. You see them all sleeping, but not the little flea. No one heard his garbled plea. Does anybody have a tissue for me? I have a cold. And the mouse slept on. Not even the mouse he used for a house, or the rat, or the cat, or the black-eyed bat, or the cow, or the owl, or the feathered fowl, or the dog, or the hog, or the old barn frog. They all slept peacefully, but not the flea. Oh, where's the flea now? Do you see him? He's not on that one, and he's not on the chicken, and he's not on the cow, nor the pig, nor the frog, and he's not on the cat, and he's not on the dog. He's not on the owl, and he's not on the bat. Where did that flea go to, I wonder? Let's see. And then suddenly, before he could cover his snoot, achoo! He scared the rat, who cried, boo-hoo! And he woke the cat, who hissed, moo! Moo! And he buffled the bat, whose eyes turned blue, and he confused the cow, who muttered, moo, moo! Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo, wahoo, yeah, cock-a-doodle-doo! It outraged the owl, who hollered hoo-hoo, and flustered the fowl, who cried cock-a-doodle-doo. It daunted the dog, who barked woo-woo, and sprayed the hog, who screamed eow, and reminded the frog of his old nephew. But the mouse the flea used for a house kindly gave him a tissue, and the flea wiped his nose, and before his eyes had even closed, he began to snooze. For all the rest of that dark, dark night on that old, old farm in the rickety, crickety, tumble-down barn, everyone slept very peacefully. Look at all those Z's, all of that snoring. And the flea and the mouse he used for a house, the rat and the cat and the black-eyed bat, the cow, the owl, the feathered fowl, even the dog and the old barn frog, everyone slept just like a log except the hog. No one heard his garbled wheeze. I think I'd be going to sneeze. The end.